Hi everyone. In last video we have discussed regarding RRB ALP directions questions. Today we shall discuss some more questions based on direction only. So first we shall mark the direction, that is east, west, north, south. Okay. So the question is like this: Chahak starts from point A and walks for 6 meters towards the south. So first you should write yes 6. Okay. So then she takes a left turn and walks for 5 meters. So for south, left means it is anti-clockwise E. So east 5. Next she takes a left turn again and walks for 9 meters. So again left means north, that is N9. Okay. So once again she takes a left turn and walks for 2 meters. So again left means what it is? West. West 2 meters. 2. Okay. So at last she takes one more left and turn and walks for 3 meters. That is again south 3. Okay. So this is the final. So now if you observe, opposite direction should be cancelled first. Okay. So opposite direction should be cancelled. So east we have 5 and west we have 2. So north we have 9. So N9 S6 plus 6 3. That is 6 plus 3 is 9. So south 9 and north 9 will be get cancelled. So what left is east and west. If you do 2 minus 5, it is 3. But what is the small one? 2. So that is a west is the answer. So next question is, Jessica starts from point A, drives 56 km towards north. So first you write down N56. Okay. N56. So it is important while explaining, it should be visible for you directions, so that it will be easy to explain. So here what it is, so first you write down north 56. Next what it is there, he then takes a right turn. So for north, right means clockwise, right means clockwise, that is east. East what you should write? 58. Okay, east 58. Next again he turns right and drives 61 km. So for east, right means it is a south. Okay, south how much? 61 km. Again what it is there, he takes a right turn, drives 61 km. Again right turn means W 61. So he takes a final right turn, drive 5 km and stops at point P. So for west, right means again what you will get? N how much? 5 km. Now you observe only the opposite directions. So here opposite directions means north and south. So north how much is there? 56 plus 5. How much it will become? 61. Okay. So here this is a 56 plus 5. Okay. Next, this north 56 plus 5 61 and south 61, it will be get cancelled. So what left is east and west. That too how much it is there here? 58 61. Okay. So 3 km. 58 minus 61. So which is the smallest one? East is the smallest one. So what is the answer here? 58 minus 61 means 3. So 3 km to the east. So that is the answer. 3 km to the east. Next question is, Amita walks towards north for 5 meters from point A. So if we discuss more questions so that it will be get practiced. East, west, north, south. Okay. So now you start writing based on the question. So here what it is there, Amita walks towards north 5 meters from point A. So what you should write? N5. Okay. So then she takes a right turn and walks for 8 meters. So for north, right means what you'll get? Clockwise, that is east. Okay. So east 8. Again then she takes a right turn and walks for 3 meters. Again right means for east is south, that is S3. Right. Once again she takes a right turn and walks for 2 meters. That is for south, right means that is west, W2. Okay. So she takes a left turn. So till now we have seen right. So again it is left turn. So for west, left turn means anti-clockwise, that is south. Okay. So that is a south. Yes, how much it is? Yes, 2. So if you observe south and north, so what you will get? N5, S3, S2. It will be get cancelled. What left? E8 and W2. So 8 minus 2 is how much? So 8 minus 2 is 6. But what is the smallest one? West is the smallest one. Okay, W2 is the smallest one. That's why the answer is west. So next here, Swara starts from point A and walks for 8 meter towards the north. So I'll write directly now. That is N8. Okay. So for north, right means what you'll get clockwise. That is a east you'll get. Okay. East 5. Next again she takes right. So for the east, right means it is a south. So yes, 4. So one more time she takes a right turn. South right turn means it is a W. How much you will get? W10. So again she takes a left turn. Left means what? It is a anti-clockwise. So for west clockwise means north you will get. For west anti-clockwise means you will get a south only again. So yes, 4. So here what happens is S4, S8, N8, it will be get cancelled. What left is E5 and W10. So 5 kilometer to the east. So because it, which is the smallest one, east is the smallest one, the answer is east. Next, Daniel starts from point A, drives 23 kilometer towards the south. So first you add on, that is a S23. Okay. So next he takes a left turn. So remember, left means anti-clockwise. So for the south, anti-clockwise means what you will get? East. East 14. Okay. So next again what he will do? He will take again left and drives 27 kilometer. So for the east, left means what you will get? North. Okay. We have already used south. South opposite will be north. So south, east, north again. So north how much? 27 kilometer. Okay. So next he takes a left. Again left means what you will get? West. For north opposite, that is north left means again west. West how much? 23 kilometer. Okay. So again he takes a final left. So what you will get? South. Okay. So if the question is completely left, then you observe where it is started, then that will be end. Okay. So if it is starting from south, it will end to south only. If you observe here, how many left are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 times. So it should come back to the stage where it started. So here south how much? It is a 4 kilometer. So if you observe here, yes 23, yes 4, that is 27. So N27, it will be get cancelled. So what left is E14 and 23. So how much you will get? 9. 14 minus 23 is 9. So which is the smallest one? E is the smallest one. So what is the answer here? 9 kilometer to the east. So next question we shall discuss 68 kilometer towards the east, that is E68. Then left. So for the east, left means what you will get is north. For east, left means north, right means south. So N is 45. Next, what you should write again for the north, left means what you will get? West. That is 78. Again left, south, 71. So again what it is? Final left. So for south, I have said na, where we start, there it will end. If all the completely it is a left. Okay. Or if it is completely right. So yes, 68, 10. What it will become? 78. So E68, E10 is E78. E78 opposite direction, east opposite direction is west. So west 78. It will be get cancelled. What left is north and south. So 45 minus 71. Okay. So 45 plus 5 if you add 50. So 5. Here this side if you had 20. So 25 plus 1. So like that work. Fast you need to solve. Okay. 26 kilometer, which is the smallest one? North is the smallest one. So 26 kilometer to the north. Okay. So that is the answer. In the next video, we shall discuss other questions based on the direction only.